Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can recreate Princess Ariel's wedding outfit in Dress to Impress. Okay, let's get into it guys. This is for the outfit. First of all guys, you can choose this hairstyle and then you're going to change it to back and remove all the flowers and color it like this for the first selection and for the second selection. And then you're going to put on this crown from the cards item and color it like this. And then for the crown, you're going to choose the gold too, and you can do little adjustment. You can position it like this, rotate, and then scale. You can position it like this, rotate, and then scale. Okay, and then you're going to put on this earring, make it white, and this heels, make it white, and you're going to put on this item. This is from the VIP room, but you can skip this item if you don't have VIP. It's optional. And then you're going to add this corset from the witch set and make it white. And then for the lace, you're going to make it this color. And then you're going to change the material to glitter. Okay, and then the next one, I'm going to go to the changing room. And I'm going to go to this menu. And then select this skirt. For the skirt, we're going to make it white. Okay, make it white for the first selection and also the second selection. And for the third selection, I'm going to make it this color and we're going to make it glitter. Done, and then combine it with the skirt from the Weathered Rose set and choose only skirt, no layer, and make it white for the first selection and then make it glitter. Okay, and then the next one guys, I'm going to go to this area and then we're going to put on the sleeves, okay, and make it glitter. The next one, you're going to combine it with the sleeves, make it white and make it glitter. The next one, you're going to move to the world culture clothing area, put on the skirt and make it white. And for the material, don't forget to make it glitter. Okay, and then I'm going to put on this dress and choose the only skirt. And then we're going to make it white. But I think it's already white. Okay, make them white and make it glitter for the third selection and also the second selection. Okay guys, and now it's done. This is for the final result. Okay, and that's all the way to recreate Princess Ariel's wedding outfit in Dress to Impress. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!